Hey everyone, I'm going to show you 5 easy steps how to clean your battery terminals, which can help your battery last longer and be stronger. This can be done using some common household items that you already have. Items I'd recommend: some protective gloves, baking soda, water in a cup, a rag or some paper towels, a toothbrush, and some petroleum jelly. Here's my paper towels, and make sure to use a toothbrush that you don't want to use ever again. Keep in mind, battery acid is very corrosive. Make sure that you use some common sense. Check your battery for any bloating or leaking. If your battery is bloated or you see a leak from the battery, you will need to replace the battery. This process should be quick and it should help make your battery stronger. Let's start with some safety glasses. Battery acid dust is also corrosive. You don't want to blow on it so that you aerate it and breathe it in. I'm going to go ahead and throw some gloves on. I'll show you how to make some homemade battery acid cleaner. You just take some baking soda, take a disposable spoon and just take a scoop. Just need 1 spoonful to 1 cup of water. And go ahead and just stir that around. And that's our cleaning solution. That will neutralize the battery acid. If you have a lot of acid dust around the terminal, just go ahead and use your toothbrush and just scrub around the area, dipping into your solution. And it'll take a little bit of elbow grease, and you can see you might see it fizz as it's actually neutralizing the battery acid. Give everything a good scrub, and I'm just going to go around this area right here too, because that battery acid ends up traveling. That dust gets on all this whole path right here, and you can actually get a connection between that dust and it will drain down your battery. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet everything with my cleaning solution before I take my terminal off, because I don't want that dust flying around. Alright, once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take these terminals off. Always start on the negative side. So just go ahead and loosen your negative terminal and remove that. You will need to reset your time and date, and then I'm going to go ahead and loosen my positive terminal. And I'm going to go ahead and remove that. You can see I actually have some corrosion right here. Now, if your battery has these little protective caps, this is supposed to help reduce the corrosion. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that in my solution and neutralize all of the battery acid that's been collected on this. And I'm going to go ahead and scrub my terminals with my toothbrush. And just go ahead and put a little bit of elbow grease in there and get that clean. I'm going to do both sides. I'm going to take this one off also. And go ahead and clean both sides. Now don't forget to clean your connections on your harness side too. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some in there. And I know that there was some corrosion in here, so I want to make sure I get as much of this corrosion out as possible so I have a better connection and it won't be damaging my terminals from this corrosion buildup. And you can be as liberal as you want with your cleaning solution. Okay, so this area is clean. Now I don't want to dump this right on because this is my cleaning solution. What you want to use is just clean water. I'm going to go get some. The next step is just to rinse everything with clean water. We're almost done. And wipe everything down. So you can use a rag, or I just have a paper towel. So dry everything off, wipe everything down. Okay, that's the next step. Now that the terminals are all clean and the center's clean, take a little bit of petroleum jelly, and it doesn't take a lot, and just put a light coating on the terminals on both sides. And this helps prevent corrosion. And then I'm going to reinstall these, also corrosion Always remember to install the positive side first. And then put your negative side on and tighten down your negative side. So 5 easy steps. I'll just go over those real quick. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Homemade battery cleaner using baking soda and water. 1 spoonful to 1 cup of water. And then make sure your vehicle's off and locked. Access your battery. Now visually inspect your battery for any signs of leaks or bloating, which would indicate that the battery would need replacement. You're probably going to need a tool of some sort depending on the style of battery connection you have. And go ahead and remove the negative cable first and then the positive. And then go ahead with your cleaning solution and toothbrush. Scrub everything down. Rinse the battery with clean water. Wipe it down. Small amount of petroleum jelly. And tighten everything down. Positive first, negative last. And then you've now prolonged the life of your battery and helped your battery live a longer, stronger life. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Likes and positive comments are appreciated, and please remember to subscribe to my channel.